How to view and delete all your posts on Facebook. To do that, you can simply install the latest version of Facebook on your device, or you can also open Facebook from your Google Chrome as well. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So if you have a stable internet connection, then you can simply open your Facebook. Here I open it from Google Chrome. Log into your account from Google Chrome, and on the top right side, you will see there are 3 vertical lines. Just tap on this. After tapping on the 3 vertical lines, there is the option of setting. Just tap on that and then scroll down and down up until you see the option of activity log. Just tap on activity log and then you will see the interaction option right here. Just tap on manage interaction, and after that you will see many options right here: comments, likes and reaction, and here just tap on posts. After you tap on posts, you will see all the post option that you have poked, what people and how many times. So now to delete this post, what you can simply do is tap on remove by selecting it and tap on yes. And just like this, you can see that I have deleted the post right here. You can select all of it and then delete all of it also. Just confirm your password as well. If it asks for your password, and delete or remove it. So this is how you remove it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any suggestions or comments, then please do comment it on the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.